आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा, बोलो, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि एक्शंस के रिएक्शन क्या होते हैं। Let's get started. Be in position of active. Look back. Look left. Right. Rotate your body. Shake hands. Wave hands. Blink your eyes. Blink again. Blink more. Blink softly. Blink softly. Cheers, please. Smile. Smile again. Laugh. Laugh loudly. Laugh loudly. Smile. Be sad. Be angry. Be crazy.
Hey you!
Shout angrily.
Hey you!
Shout crazily.
Ah! Woo!
Vomit. Now, let's get started with the gesture. Gesture 1. Perfect. Bad. Victory. Invite. Invite rudely. Invite politely. Invite someone. Invite rudely. Invite politely. Invite modestly. No. Humbly है ये मतलब. Wait. Invite humbly. Decline. Confused. Gesture 7. Just a minute. Gesture 8. No. Don't. Gesture number 8. Shh. Silence. Position 1. Be straight. Be on your marks. Be on your front foot. Be on your back foot. Back foot. Be on your back foot. No. Don't rotate your body. Be on your back foot means one step पीछे लीजिए, एक और पीछे लीजिए step. That is back. Okay. Now take again your front foot. Now be on your back foot. Move forward 2 steps only. That's it. Move backward 2 steps. Move back. Move back. Rotate your body. Rotate yourself. Yes, that is move back. Now move backward like this. Move. Now move forward. Okay. When you are on your bike, how do you take right? Yes. When you are on your bike, how do you take left? Good. How do we take right on a bike? How do we take over? That's it. Come please. He's crying. Now he is laughing. Now he is smiling. He is running. Now he is sleeping.